everybody, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about how to host a live talk show using video conferencing software on the Wirecast Gear, but this also works on a regular Wirecast license using a Mac or a PC computer. So either way, whether you're using the really cool new Wirecast Gear hardware box or just using Wirecast software on a Mac or PC, this solution will allow you to capture video conferencing software into your video conference or into your live broadcast in Wirecast and allow you to then stream that live, essentially allowing anyone around the world with a smartphone, tablet, or computer to join your live broadcast, and you can interview them and host a live talk show. So the first thing that you absolutely really have to have, in my opinion, okay, my honest opinion, is 2 monitors. It's so crucial in my opinion because you want to have one monitor to do your Wirecast. You don't want to sacrifice any of that real estate that you need in Wirecast to really get that working. And then the other monitor you want to be able to have for capturing your video conference. So you've got 2 programs going. You've got Wirecast and you have your video conferencing software. Let's talk about video first. So first of all, Wirecast has the ability to output a virtual camera. So what you want to do is you want to start that virtual camera. So there's a virtual camera and virtual microphone audio. So anything video or audio coming out of Wirecast can then be opened in Skype or GoToMeeting or WebEx or Zoom video conferencing software. So therefore, you can take the video, and that's called a return video, and send it back to your video conferencing participants. So they know when they're live, they know when they're not live, they can hear the intro music, they can see the countdown timer for your show. They are clued in on what's going on in your live broadcast. That's the return video is very important. The return audio is important, so that way you can use your professional microphones, all the different things that you're using in Wirecast, and send it through the video conferencing software. So if you have multiple people that you're bringing into your live show, they can all hear and see what you're doing in your live broadcast. Now on the other end, now we need to get the video and audio from the video conferencing participants back into Wirecast. And the way to do that is you can do a screen capture on the secondary monitor. Very simple stuff, things that is very basic in Wirecast, so that you can have a screen capture on the secondary monitor that is running the video conferencing software, and you can do a couple different things. One is you can just have the full screen of the secondary monitor be the person you're video conferencing with, capture that whole thing into Wirecast, and now that's an input, which you can use inside a virtual set, or you can use as a picture-in-picture. However you want to do that, the video's inside Wirecast for you to change and operate on. The other thing is we need to get the audio back from Wirecast, or from the video conferencing software, from the people around the world who are joining with their smartphones or their tablets or their iPads, back into Wirecast. And to do that, all we need to do is use a program called Virtual Audio Cables, and we'll show you how that works. Once you install virtual audio cables, you can add a couple of different virtual audio cables, and they become a microphone and a speaker. They work both ways. So not only can you use it as a microphone, you can also use it as a speaker. And so the way you're going to do this is that in your video conferencing software, your camera that you're choosing is going to be the Wirecast video, and then the microphone you're choosing is going to be the Wirecast audio. But there's a third piece, your speaker. The audio coming out of the video conferencing software, that needs to go into Wirecast, and you can use a virtual audio cable which acts as a speaker. So it's technically accepting the audio from Wirecast, or from the video conferencing software, and it's pulling it into Wirecast, and then in Wirecast, you just add that virtual audio cable as a microphone. And then you can mix it into your mix. A lot of people suggest, and I would suggest using a condenser. There's some audio settings that we can go over on how to best set up that incoming audio to just compress it a little bit, maybe a 2-to-1 compression, and maybe do a little bit of a noise gate. And also just generally, if you have multiple people, as you can see here on a video conference call, just let everyone know, hey, everyone, please mute your microphone until I ask you to unmute. I've been on webinars and live streams with a lot of people, and one person's typing or making background noise. You don't want that in your live stream. So I hope that makes sense. That's exactly how you can set up a live stream inside of your broadcast in Wirecast. And thank you for watching this video. We think it's going to be really helpful for you guys. And take care. Thanks for watching.
Click to watch another exciting PTZOptics video, and don't forget to subscribe. Tune in Fridays at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern to join our live show with new industry experts interviewed every week.